Hey YouTube, in my description I will have a link where to buy. This is for the Fitbit Charge 3. It's an 8-pack. As you can see, it comes in a nice little seal package. Okay, let's check it out. Inside you have your solution. Nice little bottle. There's a little card. You have the micro wipe, and now you have the thing sealed. So see, comes all 8 screen protectors come on this little paper. As you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Come just like that. In my description there will be a link and where to buy. These are pretty much like screen protector, not tempered glass. These are not tempered glass. They feel strong, as you can see. Scratch protection, ambience, everything's right there. But these are not tempered glass. These are just screen protectors, and they come with 8. In my description there will be a link and where to buy. Like and subscribe. Thanks.